Thank you, Afra. Now let's get back to the latest in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh. A witness called by the defense today ended up being a strong witness for the prosecution as well. He is attorney Mark Ball. He took the stand, and he is an attorney still at Alex's former law firm. He told the jury that he and Alex had been friends for 34 years. Ball testified that after the murders on June 7th, Alex changed his story several times over whether he went to check Maggie first or he checked Paul first. Ball also told the jury he kept asking Alex what he knew or if he had any idea who could have been responsible for this, not only for his friend's sake, but fearing for others at their law firm, thinking that they might be in danger. But Ball said he never got answers.
And did you talk to Alex about what he did that night?
I don't know whether it was, I know on the couch we talked, but I talked to him several times, including before the masses got there, as to trying to figure out, do you know anything? Do you have any idea who did this?
Because you were very concerned. You want to get to the bottom of this, right?
Well, for a lot of reasons.
For a lot of reasons. For the family, for what happened to Maggie and Paul, for the law firm, for all the people involved?
All of it. I mean, it's safety of, if it was something to do with him and the law practice, we didn't want somebody to show back up at the front door and harm our folks. We didn't want them to harm any of the other lawyers' families if it was some person that was deranged.
All right, something else. Ball also went on to testify that Alex told him he never went down to the kennels with his family before the murders.
And did you talk to him about what he did that night?
Yeah.
And did he deny ever going down to those kennels to his buddy and law partner of 34 years?
He said that he ate dinner, laid down on the couch, took a nap, and then left to check on him.
And now you know that's not true from seeing the kennel video, right?
I do.
Well, Ball said Murdaugh denied being at the kennels at least 3 times with him in separate conversations.
Today does make the second full day of witness testimony for the defense. Sam Perez joins us now in studio with a quick run through of who we've seen take the stand so far today. Sam.
Yes, Darcy, a total of 5 witnesses have testified today. First up was Mark Ball, the defendant's former colleague. Ball is a partner at Alex Murdaugh's former law firm and a family friend of the Murdaughs.
Knowing Alex for 30 years, do you develop an assessment of his relationship with his family, Maggie, Paul, and Buster?
Well, I'll tell you this. The person I thought I knew loved his family, or appeared to love his family very much. He'd take their calls, he'd do all of those things. After, September the 3rd, I'm not sure I know that person. And so, but he always seemed to be devoted to everything. Their ball games,
Next on the stand was Morris Dawes Cook. He was defending Murdaugh in a civil case concerning a 2019 boat wreck. Murdaugh was being sued after his son was charged with boating under the influence causing death. Cook provided insight on the potential pressure Murdaugh was facing. Then, Kenneth Zersey took the stand as an expert witness for the defense. He used a report of the crime scene investigation and testified that more could have been done to protect the scene. Barbara Ann MIXSON took the stand next. She's a housekeeper for the defendant's parents and says she knew Murdaugh well. Finally, digital forensic examiner MICAH STURGIS took the stand and talked about the data investigators collected from Maggie Murdaugh's phone. Court just wrapped up a few minutes ago. Reporting live in studio, Sam Perez, News 19 WLTX.
Sam, thank you so much. Again, you can watch all of the Murdaugh trial live on all of our platforms, I should say, including the free WLTX Plus app, on our YouTube page, and on our website at WLTX.com.